In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Outlook emails that are older than a specified period. We know that emails can pile up quickly, and it's often necessary to clear the clutter to keep your inbox organized and manageable. Whether you're dealing with a packed inbox or just want to declutter your digital life a bit, getting rid of older messages can make a significant difference. So let's dive into the steps to achieve this in Outlook. To start, you'll want to open Outlook and navigate to the File menu. Now, this menu is your gateway to various tools and settings that can help you manage your emails effectively, so it's a good place to familiarize yourself with if you haven't done so already. From the File menu, you'll spot the Tools option. Go ahead and click on it because that's where we'll find the Mailbox Cleanup option. This handy feature is designed to help you maintain a tidy inbox without too much hassle. Once in Mailbox Cleanup, you'll notice several options that cater to different aspects of email management. But for our mission today, we'll be focusing on finding items older than a specific period. Typically, if you want to delete emails older than half a year, you might opt for a time frame like 180 days. Enter this value into the appropriate field, and then click Find. What this does is task Outlook with searching through your emails and singling out the ones that meet the criteria you just set. Depending on the number of emails in your system, this may take a little moment, so patience is key here. When Outlook has successfully gathered all the emails older than 180 days, or whichever time period you've chosen, here comes the big move. What you need to do now is perform a Ctrl-A on your keyboard. This is an essential shortcut that selects all the emails that have been filtered by your criteria. Using shortcuts like this can significantly speed up your workflow and make the process much smoother. With all those emails selected, simply right-click on your mouse. You'll be greeted with a list of actions you can take, and among them, you'll find the option to delete. Choose it, and voila, your emails will be moved to the deleted items folder. Keep in mind that these aren't completely erased yet, they're just in another folder, waiting for final deletion. You may want to glance through them to ensure nothing important gets tossed away accidentally. While I personally didn't have emails older than the period I chose, the method I shared is both effective and simple. By periodically clearing out old emails, you can keep your inbox steadily organized, aiding in a more efficient workspace. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this method as helpful as I do in managing your Outlook emails.